Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Today we're diving into hair growth. We'll unlock the secrets of 20 foods that stimulate hair growth. These foods are packed with nutrients to promote healthy, luscious locks. Let's get started. First up, we've got a popular fatty fish salmon. It's not just delicious, but it's also a nutritional powerhouse for hair health. The secret weapon in salmon is its abundance of omega-3 fatty acids. Our bodies can't produce omega-3s, so we need them from our diet. And that's where salmon comes in. These fats keep your scalp hydrated and promote hair growth. Include salmon in your diet twice a week for amazing hair benefits. Next, we have a versatile breakfast staple: eggs. Eggs are an excellent source of protein, crucial for building and repairing tissues, including hair. Eggs are also packed with biotin, a B vitamin vital for hair growth. Whether scrambled, poached, or sunny side up, include eggs in your diet for healthy hair. Let's talk about spinach, a leafy green superfood that does wonders for your hair. Spinach is an excellent source of iron, essential for carrying oxygen to hair follicles. Without enough iron, your hair may not grow and thrive, leading to hair loss. Spinach also contains sebum, a natural conditioner for your hair. So, load up on spinach in your salads, smoothies, or even sauté it as a side dish. Chapter 4. Sweet potatoes. Vitamin A for hair growth. Sweet potatoes are a delicious root vegetable. Packed with beta-carotene, they convert into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for cell growth, including hair follicles. It also helps in sebum production, keeping your scalp moisturized. Roast them, mash them, or add them to curry. Sweet potatoes support healthy hair growth. Who doesn't love avocados? They're creamy, delicious, and great for your hair. Avocados are loaded with vitamin E, protecting your hair from damage. Vitamin E neutralizes free radicals, keeping your hair strong. Add avocado to your toast, salads, or whip up guacamole. Your hair will thank you. Next up, we have a convenient and healthy snack: nuts. Almonds, walnuts, cashews, all great for your hair. Nuts are rich in biotin, zinc, and essential fatty acids. Biotin is crucial for hair growth, while zinc repairs damaged hair and prevents hair loss. Healthy fats keep your hair shiny and strong. Make nuts your go-to snack for hair-loving nutrients. Don't underestimate the power of seeds. These tiny nutritional powerhouses boost your hair health. Flax seeds, chia seeds, and sunflower seeds. Excellent sources of vitamin E, zinc, and selenium. Vitamin E protects your hair, zinc supports growth, and selenium maintains a healthy scalp, essential for optimal hair growth. Sprinkle seeds on salads, yogurt, or smoothies for a nutrient boost. Let's talk about berries. Those delicious and colorful fruits that are not only good for your taste buds, but also for your hair. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are packed with vitamins and antioxidants that promote hair growth. These antioxidants protect your hair follicles from damage, keeping your hair strong and healthy. So enjoy a handful of berries as a snack or blend them into a delicious smoothie. Moving on to beans, a versatile and affordable source of protein, iron, zinc, and biotin. Protein, as we know, is essential for hair growth, while iron helps carry oxygen to hair follicles. Zinc supports hair growth and repair, and biotin, of course, is a key nutrient for healthy hair. Whether you prefer black beans, kidney beans, chickpeas, or lentils, make sure to include a variety of beans in your diet for happy and healthy hair. Chapter 10. Meat protein powerhouse for strong hair. Meat lovers, rejoice. Lean meats like chicken, turkey, and beef are excellent sources of protein and iron, both of which are essential for hair growth. Protein provides the building blocks for strong hair, while iron helps carry oxygen to hair follicles. Just make sure to choose lean cuts of meat and avoid processed meats, which can be high in unhealthy fats and sodium. Chapter 11. Peppers vitamin C boost for collagen production. Let's add some color to our plates with peppers. Bell peppers in particular are a great source of vitamin C, an important nutrient for hair health. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in collagen production. Collagen is a protein that gives hair its strength and elasticity, preventing breakage. So, add some sliced bell peppers to your salads, stir-fries, or sandwiches for an extra dose of vitamin C. Next up, we have a delicacy from the sea oysters. Oysters are like a treasure chest of nutrients, especially zinc. Zinc is essential for hair growth and repair, and oysters are one of the best sources of this mineral. If you're a fan of seafood, make sure to include oysters in your diet to reap their amazing hair benefits. Speaking of seafood, shrimp is another great option for promoting healthy hair growth. Shrimp is a good source of protein, vitamin B12, iron, and zinc, all of which contribute to healthy hair growth. Enjoy shrimp grilled, sautéed, or added to your favorite pasta dishes. Let's move on to soybeans, a powerhouse of nutrients including a compound called spermidine. Spermidine has gained attention for its potential to promote hair growth by prolonging the active phase of hair follicles. Incorporate soybeans into your diet through edamame, tofu, or tempeh. Next up, we have a creamy and delicious option, Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a great source of protein and vitamin B5, both of which are beneficial for hair health. Protein, as we know, is essential for hair growth, while vitamin B5 helps strengthen hair shafts and prevent breakage. Enjoy Greek yogurt as a snack, add it to your smoothies, or use it as a base for dips and sauces. Guava Vitamin C Powerhouse for hair protection. Let's add some tropical flavors to our list with guava. This exotic fruit is packed with vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps protect hair from damage. Vitamin C also aids in collagen production, which strengthens hair and prevents breakage. Enjoy guava fresh juiced or add it to your smoothies for a delicious and nutritious treat. Lentils, a nutrient-rich legume for hair. Lentils, those tiny but mighty legumes, are packed with protein, iron, zinc, and biotin, all essential nutrients for healthy hair. Incorporate lentils into your diet through soups, stews, salads, or as a side dish. Barley, a nutritious grain, is a good source of vitamin E, which protects hair from damage caused by free radicals. It also contains other nutrients that contribute to overall hair health. Add barley to your soups, stews, or enjoy it as a side dish. Carrots, those crunchy orange delights, are rich in beta-carotene, which our bodies convert into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for cell growth, including the cells in our hair follicles. Enjoy carrots raw, cooked, or juiced. Last but not least, we have chicken, a lean protein source that's great for hair growth. Chicken is packed with protein, providing the building blocks for strong and healthy hair. Enjoy chicken grilled, baked, or added to your favorite dishes. So there you have it, folks. Secret foods to stimulate hair growth and increase hair density. Incorporating these foods into your diet can make a real difference in your hair's health and appearance. Give them a try and see the results. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Stay healthy and keep those hair goals high.